Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
This video will demonstrate how to import and export printing configuration. To export sale printing configuration, go to the menu and under Utilities, expand Import Export branch-wise data. Under Options, click on Import Export Data. Then open the Export Report Bill Purchase Configuration utility. From here, you can export both purchase and sales printing configuration. Tick on Bill or Purchase multiple print formats. The list of available printing formats will appear. Select the ones you want to export, then click on the Export button. After that, click on Start Copy, choose the destination drive, and click OK. To import this configuration, again go to the menu and under Utilities, expand Import Export branch-wise data. Under Options, click on Copy data files from disk. Browse and select the cap file, which will be located in the Logic TRF folder of the drive you specified earlier during export. Go to the RPT folder and select the cap file. Then click on the Start Copy button. Next, open the Import Report Bill Purchase Configuration utility and simply click on Import. This will import all the selected configurations into the system. You can now open the Sale Multiple Printing configuration window and review the imported printed formats. Moving on, let's see how we can import and export the designer printing format. From the menu bar, go to Continuous Printing, then select Sales Bill Print Designer and Printing window. Open the Configuration menu, and from the drop-down, click on Copy Configuration. Next, go to the Export option. Select the printing format you want to export, define the target destination, and click on Export. Once the export is complete, go to the system where you want to import this printing format. Open the same configuration menu, choose Copy Configuration, and this time click on Import. Browse and select the source file from your device. Then click on Import. After the file is successfully imported, you can review the imported configuration in the list.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.